Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the adorable world of animal babies. Ever wondered what a baby kangaroo is called? Or how about a baby swan? Stick around, because we're about to find out. Let's get started.
Lion cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years. Kangaroo, joeys stay in their mother's pouch for about 6 months. Swan, cygnets ride on their parents' backs for warmth and protection. Dog, puppies are born blind and deaf, relying on their sense of touch and smell. Elephant calves can weigh up to 250 pounds at birth. Ducklings are able to swim and dive just hours after hatching. Tiger cubs are born blind and depend on their mother for the first few weeks. Panda cubs are born pink, blind, and hairless. Deer, fawns can stand and walk within hours of being born. Kittens are born with closed eyes, which open after about a week. Giraffe, calf, amazing fact. Giraffe calves can stand and walk within minutes of birth. Piglets are born with teeth and can start eating solid food within a week. Owlets have fluffy down feathers that keep them warm until their adult feathers grow in. Horse, foals can run within a few hours after birth. Bear cubs are born during hibernation and stay with their mother for up to 2 years. Goat, kids are known for their playful behavior and agility from a young age. Chicks can communicate with their mother through sounds even before they hatch. Frog, tadpoles eventually grow legs and lungs to live on land as frogs.
Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for the more such fun videos. See you